If you want to uninstall the Grammarly browser extension, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to remove Grammarly from your browser in just a few clicks. Whether you're freeing up space, troubleshooting an issue, or simply no longer need the extension, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser. This can be Chrome or any other browser where Grammarly is installed. Once your browser is open, look at the top area of the screen, usually near the address bar, and find the Grammarly icon in the toolbar. The icon is usually easy to spot because it sits alongside your other browser extensions. Now, right-click on the Grammarly icon. When you do that, a small menu will appear with a few options. Look for the option that says Remove from Chrome if you're using Google Chrome, or Remove Extension if your browser uses slightly different wording. Click that option to begin the uninstall process. After that, your browser may ask you to confirm the removal. This is just to make sure you really want to delete the extension. Go ahead and confirm it. Once you approve the prompt, Grammarly will be removed from your browser. That's it. The Grammarly browser extension has now been uninstalled and it should no longer appear in your toolbar or run in the background. If you ever want to use it again, you can always reinstall it from the browser extension store later. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.